Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write a long essay on the topic the happiest day of my life. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Human life is full of ups and downs. In life, there never comes a period of endless joy. Balmy days are rare in life, yet such joyous days come and fill our minds with ecstasyism. One such day came in my life. It was my 12th birthday. It fell on 5th November 2022. Since I am the only son of my parents, they celebrate this day in great fun. I was extremely happy on that day. I dreamt of my future and wished very much to be a doctor in life. By being a doctor, I would render useful services to the helpless sick people, besides earning a living for myself and my family. all the invitees of my birthday party called me to their side and blessed me. They advised me to strive and hew out a good career for myself. It seemed to me as if blessings from heaven were being generously showered on me. I was thrilled with ecstatic joy which I haven't felt yet in life. It was indeed the happiest day of my life.